Hey people, just got these 3 locks in the mail as a donation from Moose. Thanks, man. So Yale Junior, it's damaged, so I don't think it's pickable. Probably bypassable, but I don't think they make these anymore, and it's a piece of history. I like old locks, so thanks for that. And then there's a Yale wafer lock and a Eagle wafer lock, which were sent to me locked, but as you can see, I picked them open.
It is what it is, but I never knew the situation.
Just see if I can do that again for you on camera.
She had no money. She had a bad night. I bought her something to eat. She said, "Could she get a couple hours?"
Okay, we'll start with the Yale.
That was it. Nothing more, nothing less. Jay, you are a lie.
No, stay away from me. After all these years, I just can't believe you've been cheated on me. I can't believe this. I've been faithful to you. I've been loyal. I wasn't out here messing with nobody. Then you gonna cheat on me and get with that on top of it?
Okay, there's the Yale.
I thought you really did.
Single wafer picked open. Now we'll move right on to the Eagle. Go in with the back side of my short hook.
Can I say let me go?
Let me tell you something. Okay, 2 questions. Are you going to pay him the money? Pay him for what? Okay. He need to pay me. And are you going to take him back?
No. They can have each other.
There we go. There's the Eagle wafer lock picked. Okay, so thank you, Moose, or Mighty Me Lock, for these 3 locks. I would have picked this one open, but it's been irreparably damaged, but still a good representation of the older Yale locks. As I said, I normally don't pick wafer locks, but giving Yale the due props where due props are due. Anyways, so peace. Don't break the law. Have fun. Don't use this info for any illegal activities. And for good quality pick tools, go to uklockpickers.co.uk. Until next time.